Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video we're going to talk about some kitchen styling secrets. If you have ever wondered how to transform your kitchen from blah to wow, then kitchen styling is the secret ingredient that you need. At its core, kitchen styling is the art of personalizing and beautifying your home's private MasterChef stage. It goes beyond mere functionality, weaving together colors, textures, and accessories to reflect your personality and lifestyle. The most common mistake that we've seen people make while styling their kitchen is hanging their kitchen cabinets wrong. If you know how high you should hang your kitchen cabinets, then comment down below. Think of it as setting the backdrop of every culinary adventure and gathering in your home, resulting in a beautiful kitchen design. So, let's get started. Mixing and matching colors and textures can bring warmth and depth to your kitchen remodel and styling scheme. Soft pastel walls with bold, colorful accents in rugs or dishware add character, while blending wood, metal, and glass creates an engaging atmosphere. Consider also using textured backsplashes or colorful appliances to infuse vibrancy and personality. Choose finishes and materials that not only complement each other but also withstand the test of kitchen wear and tear. Your kitchen should speak to you and about you, reflecting your lifestyle and history. Whether through family heirlooms or quirky collection of mugs or a board displaying the family's weekly menu, these personal touches invite warmth into the space. Incorporate elements like a chalkboard for notes and quotes, or display a rotating gallery of children's artwork to keep the room lively and personal. Use open shelving to showcase your favorite dishes or glassware, making everyday items part of the decor. Opt for tools that match your kitchen style for a seamless blend of form and function. A striking knife set, for example, elegant storage jars, or artisanal cutting boards can all act as decor elements when not serving their purposes. In addition, appliances like a designer toaster or a sculptural coffee maker will enhance the overall aesthetic without compromising utility. Hang pots and pans from a ceiling rack to free up cabinet space, simultaneously giving the layout a professional touch. A clean counter is a stylish counter, so keep it spacious and open, adorned with just a few impactful tools. Meanwhile, use vertical storage solutions such as wall-mounted shelves or magnetic knife strips to keep essentials handy but off the countertop. Keep counters clutter-free by incorporating an appliance garage, keeping frequently used items within reach but out of sight. Choose a handful of striking decorative items like a designer fruit bowl, an ornate soap dispenser, or a chic spice rack to make a statement without crowding your workspace. This approach keeps the areas organized and allows each piece to stand out as a part of the overall decor. Weigh each accessory's visual balance and practicality, ensuring they serve both aesthetic and functional purposes. Consider rotating your decor seasonally to refresh the look of your kitchen without a full redesign. Before we go any further with this video, if you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. An outdoor herb garden not only infuses freshness into your dishes but also adds a vibrant splash of color to your kitchen. Place your herb garden near a window to ensure it gets enough sunlight, or employ grow lights if natural light is limited. Alternatively, use hanging planters to save counter space and introduce one or more decorative elements. Aromatic herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary can enhance the kitchen's aroma even when not used in cooking. Bar stools should be more than just seating. They should complement your kitchen's aesthetic and invite conversation and camaraderie. Choose stools that match or contrast your kitchen's design elements to enhance the overall vibe. Ensure they are comfortable and adjustable to accommodate all guests, simultaneously reinforcing the kitchen's role as a social hub. Opt for bar stools with backs and footrests to increase comfort during longer gatherings, and consider materials that are easy to clean and maintain. Centerpieces don't have to just sit pretty. Go for elements that serve both aesthetic and practical purposes, enhancing the beauty of your space while providing something useful at arm's reach. For instance, a bowl of seasonal fruits, a vase of fresh flowers, or an array of your favorite cookbooks can add both life and functionality to your island. Change your centerpiece for different occasions to keep your kitchen feeling fresh or aligned with the time of year. Group items strategically, mixing practical pieces with a few decorative objects. This curated approach to organizing your kitchen items will maximize space, at the same time turning everyday objects into part of the decor. It's an easy yet stylish way to strike a balance between form and function. Arrange items by color or theme to create visually appealing vignettes that also make finding things easier. Intersperse your kitchenware with small art pieces to inject personality and vibrancy into your shelving, breaking up the monotony. Curate a mix of mediums such as ceramics, framed prints, or sculptural elements to boost visual interest and reflect your sense of aesthetics. Place them also at varying heights to create depth and prevent the space from feeling flat. For a foolproof approach, pick art that reflects culinary themes or abstract designs that complement the kitchen's color palette. Resist the urge to fill every inch. Strategic empty space can make your kitchen feel more open and airy, giving each item some room to breathe. In addition, this minimalist approach can help highlight your favorite pieces and create a sense of calm and order. Use shelving of varying depths to play with perception, making the layering contribute to the overall narrative. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.